That's a creaky noise, guys. As soon as you move the car, you can hear the noise as soon as you sit inside the car. You're gonna move the car. You hear it? That's coming from the back. So I'm about to work on this car. I already ordered a bunch of parts for it, the suspension and the shocks, just to make sure that you know, I have all my parts. So it's a two tires. Okay guys, as we can see here, I'll move the tires, and I check all those bushings. It doesn't show me any like signs, you know. What I'm gonna do here, because all those stuff like I see here, you know, they have been changed. I'm gonna remove that half wrench, and we have the one at the bottom. It's 17. Or I'll put a jack underneath this one here, okay, just to lift the wheel. As you can see, I remove the shock. This is a shock right here, okay. Now guys, this is the way they send the new shocks. So I remove this one here, I remove the bushings. I'm gonna have to remove all those things from the old one. So I take and hold the top, and I use a nice 16 just to I put the new shock on that passenger side. So I'm gonna put the tire back on this. I didn't screw this one because that's for the alignment. I left it alone. But this one, you see the grease in it. That's the one that loose. It was loosening a little bit just when you press the brakes, or when you move the car and you make that squeaky noise. This one here.